I called CPS on my husband's sister, got her arrested, and now my husband is filing for divorce over this. I called CPS on my husband's sister, who is 29 years old. She has 4 children, 3 baby daddies. She's unmarried, a single mom, has full custody of her kids, so she's an alcoholic. She puts her kids in daycare on random days even when she's not working because she wants to go to a bar, drink, and find a guy. She's always jumping from relationship to relationship, so she puts her kids in daycare so she can get hammered. She also drinks and drives with her children in the car. She claims it's not that serious because she's only tipsy, and that she's a better driver tipsy than sober. She's not a good person. I hate her. Unrelated, but she's also a backyard breeder. She was starving the mama dog because she doesn't have time to take care of the stupid dogs because she has a job and kids to take care of. These are her words. The mama dog died during labor, and more than half of the litter didn't make it either. She never took this dog to the vet either. She just sold the pups that did make it. Anyway, this is a random part of the story, but it's the main reason why I fucking hate my sister-in-law. Anyway, I took a recording of the evidence, called the police, gave the license number and other information on where she was headed. The police got her and they checked her alcohol percentage. Now, she's still in the county jail because no one wants to pay $1,000 for her bail. My husband's mother and other sister are working on her bail and are gonna get her out by tomorrow morning. We don't know when CPS will return the kids. I feel I was doing the right thing, but my husband's family hate me. My husband said this isn't my place, he's leaving me, and I'm begging him not to leave. I feel so vulnerable right now too because I just had a baby 6 months ago. Also, his sister is threatening to beat me up when she gets out of jail. I'm sorry, that's not funny. My husband's family hate me and told me that instead I should have talked to them and had one of them drive the kids to the grandma's, and I should have helped the sister instead of ruining her life, getting her arrested and having her kids taken away from her. So, am I the asshole?